Good afternoon from Grand Valley Farm. It's May 28th, 2025, and it's about 1:30. And it's 82 degrees. I'm here working on measuring. I have to build a fence over here, so I gotta add a bunch of T-posts. So I got my little markers there. I'm gonna run a string down them. And then I'll start one T-post and measure out from there. Then we'll extend it in both directions. So I think that's the plan. These goats keep bugging me for these alfalfa leaves over here. Nice and fresh. Now it's 2 o'clock and it's 84 degrees. I gotta start. This should be a 20-foot to the gate that's going to be right here. I'm going to space these out 10 foot apart since it's going to be field fence. Over here, these are 8 foot apart. Those are 16-foot panels. And we have new babies. Got the grandsons out to pasture. So I eat a dandelion. Here's Molly cleaning up one of her babies. She's a first-time mother. She's doing pretty good. The other one's laying over there sleeping, so I hope she pays a little more attention. It was running around. I think it's tired. Well, Molly came and licked this one, and it moved around, and she started eating hay. Well, all we can do is hope for the best. They've been nursing, so that's going good. Be checking on them quite often through the night. It's 7:25 p.m. and it's still 85 degrees. So I did get quite a bit done today. Doc and Tommy are in the shop right now working on the Tahoe, getting that rebuild engine put together or mounted up. So hopefully that happens tonight where I can drive it tomorrow. I'm going to test drive it a few times before I take it on this overland trip next week. So anyway, it's been a beautiful day. Nice and warm, sun shining. Now this is the weather I love. That's why I moved to Yakima County. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great evening. I'll catch you next time.